Hello students. Hello students. Welcome to our online session. This session we will discuss about our 8A exercise in Visual Basic. It is about product information form using ADO-DC control. Actually, if you could remember, a previous exercise was about DAO control. You would have been using this control, data control, and would have created a database and linked the database and the VB form. This exercise same like we are going to connect it to database, access database only, but through another method. So this method is called ADO, that is ActiveX data control method. This is also quite important method actually to tell about it. Rather than the data control method, this ADO control will have more features and also little secured connection also we can establish. Just to do that, I have designed a form. Name of the form is product information, and we have item number, name, quantity, rate, and amount. I've not changed any of the names, just maintain the name as it is. And text box or names also I have not changed, and placed 6 button, 4 button for navigation, moving around the record, first, last, next, and previous, and 2 button to add and save the record. First thing, after designing the form, save the VB project file in a correct location. So for that, go to file, save project, select a folder where you want to save. So usually I will select a folder where I wanted to save. So this is 9A exercise. So I just wanted to create a folder in the name 9A, so that in future it will be easy for me to open it, 9A. And then I'm just opening that folder and saving the project name and also form name. Project also saved, form also saved. So say create a folder, save your project and save your form, so that anytime you can open it up. Now you need to create a database. Form design, you design a form, save it. 2 steps I have finished. Third step, I'm going to prepare the database and come. Database, remember we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fields. These fields has to be created in the database. Since you have done the previous exercise, you will have better idea about database creation. Go to Visual Data Manager. So we are able to see Visual Data Manager. Under that file, since first time we are going to create a database, new database, and it will ask where you need to save the database. So I want to store it in a folder called 9A. You could, just now I created a folder, no, there only, so that VB coding also will be in the same place, and database also will be in the same place. I'm creating my database name is item. Okay, my database name I'm creating in the name item. I have created a database. Now right click on properties, new table. I want to give my table name product. My table name is going to be product, and I need to start adding the fields. So first field is item number. So entered item number, data type, let it be text. Next, item name. Don't give space in between the fields while creating. Then quantity. Then rate. Last is amount. So we created with the 5 fields. Then close. If you could see, we have created 5 fields. Then click build the table. As usual, table would have come. At least enter 1 record and come. So double click on it. Click on add. So I'm adding item number 1. Product name is toothpaste. And then quantity is 17. Rate is 142. Amount will be rate into Okay, some amount, one data I have entered. I see, without entering the data, don't come off. So try to have at least one record. Okay, one record we have already entered. So close this. Done. Our table is ready. Now close the database. Remember, table name is item. Database name is item, not table name. Remember, database name is item and table name is product. This two you should remember. Database name is item, table name is product. Okay. With this information, we will close it up. That's all. We can't simultaneously work with both the things. So once again, let me share the VB screen. So in the VB screen, now we need to use ADO DC control. ADO DC control won't be available direct in this method. Okay, you need to import that control to your Visual Basic. For that, first you need to do two steps. First, go to project reference. First, you need to call the related file. Here you search for ActiveX data object. See, Microsoft ActiveX data control. So in this, you need to select Microsoft ActiveX data object 2.5 library. Okay. So click on this. Once again, I repeat, you need to go to project. In that, reference will come. In reference, you need to search for Microsoft ActiveX data object 2.5 library and then click OK. You won't get any extra files and all. A reference will be created. That means that the particular library file required for ADO control will be enabled. Next step is go to project components. Then look for Microsoft ADO control 6.0. So in component, you need to look for Microsoft ADO data control 6.0. Idu ellinda andre component in the project, go to component and then select apply. Okay. If this step is correct, you could see one small ADO DC control placed in the left side of in the toolbox. Select it and paste it, place it here. Okay. So once again, I repeat, to get this ADO control in the toolbox, first you need to go to project reference Microsoft ActiveX data object 2.5 library you have to select. Then once again go to project component Microsoft ADO data control 6.0 you need to select. Done. Both is over. Now you need to select this ADO DC control. Specify your database name. According to our example taken, our database name is item and our table name is product. You need to link both the things. But here the steps will be little different from DAO control. Okay, this select matkondo, right click on it, go click on ADO DC properties. So you will get this. We know there are various ways to connect. Actually, there are various ways you can collect here. See, various tabs also available. So you need to finish one thing and come. First, click use connection string. I'm connecting using this method. Even you can do with these two methods. You need to follow that particular procedure, but I will teach you how to do use control strings. Click on use control strings, click build. It will ask which type of connection you want. This is an interface. VB and to link access what type of connection you want. So I'm selecting Microsoft Jet 3.51 OLEDB. This directory, in case you're connecting to VB and Oracle, you need to select this. Okay, Microsoft OLEDB provider for Oracle, that's all. But now since it's an access, I am selecting Jet 3.51. Next. Here, it will ask for the database name. See, enter database name. You could remember our database name is table where we saved. We saved inside E drive. So for this only, saving the content in a particular folder is very important. 9A ali and table database name is item.mdb. I need to select item.mdb. Click on test connection. Here it shows fail. So let me select the provider as 4.0 and come. I think this system is not supporting 3.5/1. So I'm selecting the provider as 4.0. Click next. Once again, select the database name and see, and click on test connection. So according to my system is concerned, JET 4.0 only is working, not 3.5.1. Okay. So I'm selecting 4.0. Now successful. Previously it showed error because I have selected the interface name called JET 3.5, which was not working in the system which I'm using now. So I have selected 4.0. Now connection is established. Click OK. Then once again, one more OK. This is done. This system only would have generated such a big coding. To generate this coding only, we did all the steps, but this coding generation system will take care. Okay, done. Afterwards, go to authentication, nothing is there. Go to record source. First general we finished. Clicked on the build option, selected your database name only. Now record source, go for table option. See, there are 4 options available. 1 is text, 2 is table, 8 is unknown, 4th is stored procedure. Select this option. Still here your steps are correct means if you click on the small arrow key, automatically product will come. That is a table name. Click apply. Okay. That's all. So here what had happened, I have linked my database to my ADO-DC control. Hereafter, like our DAO control only, what we used to do, select every field and in the right click of the field, in data source, select ADO-DC1 and data field select item number. Second field item name, I selected text box. Data source is ADO-DC1 and data field is item name. Third one is ADO-DC1 and quantity. Fourth one is ADO-DC1 and then rate. Then amount, ADO-DC1 amount. So link each field to the data source and data field. Once done, we can start writing the coding. Coding is simple like a previous thing only. Here, first I will start writing coding for add new. To add new, double click on add new, write a coding ADO-DC1. That is the name I have used. For which one means this one. Okay, for the ADO-DC, my name is ADO-DC1. So while writing coding, write ADO-DC1 dot record set dot add new. That's all. Coding is done. A record is added. Next, I will write coding for save. Double click on it. Once again, code. Last time we did all data one. This time ADO-DC1. That's all. Otherwise, coding all same. Record set dot update. When you update, I need a message box telling that record saved. So 2 codings is over. Now for this, what will happen? First means coding will be ADO-DC1 dot record set dot move first dot move first. For last, it is move last. But for correct text command button, give the correct coding. This is move last dot move last. Select the particular option. So once again, go to the main form. This is next. So play. Move next. Last coding, move previous. Dot move previous. That's all. Coding is done. Now we can run a project and see how it works. So once I run my form, see, this is the form design. Automatically this detail I entered, so it is working. When I can add, I am giving product number 2. The item is, I'm giving soap, quantity is 5, amount is 30. And actually, when I click on amount, I need to multiply these two. Quantity into rate should give amount. Next, I will show you. So 30 into 5. I need to put that amount. Actually, you should not type. I'm typing. It should come automatically. Okay, I click on it. For that, we need to write coding. Click save. So it is correct. So record saved. First means this record. Next means second record. Previous means this. Last means see, all the things are working. Only one change, as I told. In this form design, only for amount field, when I click on the amount, not change. When I click on the amount, I need to text 5 equals to value of text 3, that quantity into rate. That's what the formula is. Take value of text 3 into value of text 4. That's all you need to give. Now I will run the coding. See, add new. So third record 3. This time I am adding pen. Quantity is 50. Amount is 6 rupees. When I click on the amount, see, it will add both and it will show me the rate. Like this, it should come. You should not type the value. System should, when I click, my answer should come. See, I'm making the amount rate to 60. When I click on it, according to that, my amount will change. Then save. Done. Move first, move last. All my options are working. This is about this exercise. Okay. Now you could see, I think, so last screen you could have not able to observe. See, once again, I show, I'm adding a new record. I'm giving 4 as an option. Adding an item, pencil, giving an quantity is 56, rate is 8 rupees. So what I should do, when I click on the amount, both the value should multiply and it should come. For that only we have given the coding text 5 equal to value of text 3 into value of text 2. Done. Like this it should come. Then click on save button, record will be saved. See, first means it will move the first record, last means last record, next record I don't have, last previous means it will be able to move. So all the operations it is performing. Very first time when you want to add a record, you need to click add new, and then only you need to start. Hope you got an idea about ADO-DC control. Do practice this exercise and share the output screen in the WhatsApp group. With this, let me stop the session. Thank you. Have a nice day.